look younger. What do y'all think? What are your thoughts? Would you or would you not add black liner on the waterline right now? Got to fall out. I'm thinking I want to add black. That's just me. And so I'm going to just go simple with the IT Cosmetics No Tug Gel waterproof liner. It's just easy. And because I'm doing this after the fact, I really got to contort my facial expression like that to try the muscles to naturally pull the skin down. Personally, I think that looks better than the white. Some people love the white. Some people add white instead of black. Teach its own. And they'll say, well, you have to do that to make it look... You don't have to do anything. Okay, I've got a candle back here. And I'm going to spray some hairspray, so I've got to put the candle out. This is the Pink Sands one, and I absolutely love it. And because it is a metal lock top, and I can quickly watch it extinguish, always make sure you see that extinguish. I even shake the wax a little and make sure it's extinguished. Always look, because sometimes the lids are not metal, they're wood or paper or something, and you will catch it on fire. So don't put it out that way. I just don't like to blow candles. It's weird. It reminds me of the end of the birthday party, and it's just like, it makes me sad. There. I have a little crossover right now. Just so I can have some... Oh, it hit my head so strong, it's shiny. Actually, that kind of lifted the brows, the hairs. That looks cool. Okay, so that is my finished and complete look. By the way, that hairspray is Redken's Triple Take 32 in the small size, and I love using the small size. Because of the three little holes that it comes out, it's more like straight lined, and so it really definitely picks up hair a lot and kind of sticks it there. And if you want your hair to be a certain way all day long, this stuff just holds. And when you're styling it, it's so easy. So instead of getting the big long cans that they have of this, I always get a little short one. I just like it better. Okay, I have no idea where we are. We're probably in part 17. And we are at the end of 22, which is usually it's 24 minutes. Rather than wait another 2 minutes, I am going to end it here. We will see how my face does. Maybe I'll do a touch point at the end of the day on how these two particular products worked differently. I have made them up as far as bronzer and blush the same way. So I don't know if you can tell now which is which color-wise, but I feel like I'm leaning more towards the full coverage moisturizer side versus the CC cream side. This was a little thicker. But both of them have given excellent coverage to my age spots on the jawline. And the big one there. But I feel like it could be done better. I don't know if it's just because it's so dark or if this was the better color. This seemed like a better color match to me, to be honest. And they're both in the color light, but this seemed to have more green. This seemed to have more orange in the base. They're both light base, and they're both kind of beigey colors. So they're both good colors for me. I just feel like I like this better. But let's see how they wear throughout the day. And I will let you guys know which one wore better for me personally. And now I'm headed to go get some flowers and a new front door mat for my house because I have company coming. Did that just go over again? I have no idea. It didn't flash. Anyway, I love you guys. Talk to you again soon.